Hi, I'm Cheryl, and today I'm going to do a product review of one of my favorite products. I've had it for 6 months maybe, and I use it faithfully, probably 5 times a week. And it is, let me get you the full name here, make sure I'm doing this correctly. I think it is Dr. Dennis Gross Facewear Pro Mask. I love this thing. So I know that's silly, but you just turn it on. It has a red light and if you hit that button, a blue light. And I think that's a combo of the red and blue. The red is meant to help with wrinkles. So you put that on for 3 minutes every day. But here's an extra thing that somebody told me. After you've done it 3 minutes like this, turn it this way, and then you're doing 3 minutes on your neck. Watch. Where's that button? So then that's extra added bonus. So I think this thing really works. A friend and I started using it about the same time. I saw some friends from out of town, went and saw them 3 months later after I'd been using this, and they were all like, what are you doing? What are you doing? I feel like it's smoothed out my skin tone, and I hope it's helping with wrinkles. We'll see. You know, I just turned 50, doing what I can. So, Dr. Dennis Gross face mask.